Re-electionist Senator Sonny Angara defends the train law amid an increase in fuel prices in the country. Angara says the law, which increased most Filipinos' take-home pay in exchange for higher excise taxes, brought positive changes such as the income tax exemption of 250,000 pesos, estate tax, and the simplification of the tax code. Critics and analysts say trains' excise taxes also hastened the rise of prices, which greatly affect the poor. Angara says the law should not be blamed for high inflation last year since the price of crude oil doubled worldwide. Angara also denies he is skipping debates to avoid the issue, saying he already answered the same questions before. Angara is part of both the senatorial slates of President Rodrigo Duterte and presidential daughter Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte.